You know how sometimes a small gadget completely changes the way you work? Well, that's exactly what happened when I got my hands on the Maono Wave T5 wireless lavalier microphone. At first glance, it looks tiny, but the moment I started unboxing it, I realized this little thing is built like a pro. The box itself feels premium, sleek, minimal, and professional. If we take a quick look at the back of the box, we can see some highlighted features: professional tuning, super CD quality sound, AI noise reduction, 300 meters, wireless transmission range, and a very compact and portable design. As I opened it, the first thing I saw was a soft pouch with the Maono logo neatly engraved on it. Inside the pouch, a few surprises: a Type A to Type C cable, a neck strap for easy use, and a set of Maono stickers that actually look really cool. Then comes the packing list and user manual, both in English and Chinese. And of course, two straps, because inside this box are two transmitters. And here it is, the Maono Wave T5. The main charging case feels sturdy and compact, something you can easily slip into your pocket. Open it up, and you'll find the full setup waiting. One receiver, two transmitters, a Type C receiver, a Lightning receiver for iPhone users, two magnetic clips, a 3.5mm audio cable for camera connection, a Type C to Type C cable, and two windshields for outdoor shooting. Everything perfectly organized. The case has a battery indicator light right at the front, showing exactly how much charge is left. It uses a Type C port for fast charging and supports up to 18 hours of total battery life with the charging case. And yes, all the devices attach magnetically, so setup is smooth and effortless. Let's talk about the transmitter. On top, it's got the clean Maono branding, a status LED, a mute button, press once and it turns red, and on the side, a power button and an ANC button for active noise cancellation. Turn ANC on and the LED goes green, meaning background noise just got a lot quieter. At the bottom, you'll see magnetic charging points, and on the back, a small built-in magnet, so you can easily attach it to your shirt, jacket, or even your camera strap. And if you prefer a more traditional setup, Maono gives you magnetic clips that snap on instantly. Now, the receiver is just as impressive. There's a gain control wheel that lets you adjust your recording volume in real time. Turn it up for interviews, lower it for vlogs. There are dual LED indicators for each transmitter, and the same ANC button here for on-the-fly noise reduction. It has a Type C port for charging and data transfer, a 3.5mm output jack for headphones or cameras, and a mono stereo switch, so you can record either one combined channel or two separate tracks, perfect for podcasting or two-person interviews. Oh, and did I mention? It supports real-time audio monitoring and ultra-low latency transmission, so what you hear is exactly what you record. Pairing is ridiculously simple. For Android, just plug in the Type-C receiver, hold the power button, and boom, it's in pairing mode. Hold the transmitter button, the lights turn green, and you're connected. Same goes for iPhone. Just use the Lightning receiver, hold both buttons for a few seconds, and they pair automatically. The Maono Wave T5 supports auto pairing, meaning next time you open the case, everything connects instantly. No setup needed. Okay, fine. Now let's check out the app section. So we've downloaded the Maono app using the QR code provided in their manual. After opening the app, it first asks you to connect the device. So let's connect it. Here it comes. Now it's showing that both devices are offline. So I'll open one of them now. As soon as I open it, you can see that it's connected here. Now we can see a lot of features, such as the current battery level of the microphone. Then you can increase or decrease the microphone's gain level and collect the overall audio level. You can also activate the noise reduction from here, and turn it off again whenever you want. Take a closer look. When I turn on the noise reduction, it turns green, and when I turn it off, it goes back to normal. There are also several noise reduction modes: slight, moderate, aggressive, and custom. If you select custom, you can adjust the slider manually to make the noise reduction smoother according to your preference. Next, there's the sound coloration feature, which you can turn on to enhance your voice in different ways. It includes options like voice enhancer, brightness, and huskiness. You'll also find the phone speaker output option here. You can choose your audio channel, either stereo or mono, whichever you prefer. So the app is basically simple but very useful. It comes with many features that allow you to perform a lot of professional-level tasks easily. Now, let's test it out. Right now, you're hearing the audio without ANC. This is with ANC turned on. You can instantly hear the background noise drop and the voice sound clearer and smoother. Next, I stepped outside. Right beside a busy road, cars everywhere, horns blaring. This is how it sounds without ANC. And now, with ANC turned on. Huge difference, right? The AI noise reduction really works, and the mic still captures clean vocals even in chaos. This microphone can record seamlessly even from a distance of up to 300 meters. As you can see, I'm walking farther and farther away from the camera, yet there's no distortion or signal drop at all, which makes it perfect for short film production and outdoor shoots. So, to sum it up, the Maono Wave T5 is compact, powerful, and designed for creators who care about clean, professional audio. You get dual transmitters, 300 meters, wireless range, real-time monitoring, adjustable gain control, 18 hours battery life, mono stereo switch, AI noise reduction, auto pairing, and ultra-low latency, all packed into a tiny portable case that fits in your hand. If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or filmmaker, this might just be the perfect wireless mic setup for you. So, that's it everyone. The Maono Wave T5 wireless lavalier microphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and audio tests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.